Hey everyone, it's Dr. Rick, and this is the James Pate State Park Nature Center. I'm going to be holding a conference on introducing people to hiking and the value of being out in nature on a regular basis. This will be on March 2nd, that's a Saturday. We'll be meeting here, and there's no charge, just have to bring the right buddy to hike with you. As all of us probably have different speeds. Parking lot is well equipped. The idea would be to go over equipment, go over how to use our Illinois trails and forest preserves to get an exercise routine out. Now, the exercise we do on trail is mostly just carrying a backpack, which I don't have today, and then hiking. But the beauty is that you get exposed to nature. Usually that lowers blood pressure. It also gets you off of the connection to Wi-Fi. But it's nice to disconnect and allow your brain to slow down a little bit. And as all the videos on nature therapy that I do show, there's always going to be some benefit. And whether it's the Japanese forest bathing studies or just practices of calm and mindfulness, there's always benefit to learning something new, unless you just want to wait until you get totally stressed out and then try to deploy a change. But my suggestion is that it always helps with balancing out life to have the proper nutrition, the proper activities, meaning exercise, and the proper mindful practice. And why not kill two birds with one stone, mindfulness and being on trail? So this kind of exercise, which is walking, it's good for blood pressure. It's kind of good for muscle strength. This is not what you use or think that you're going to use just for osteoporosis. Definitely not sarcopenia. So there's other things to do that you can intensify, but this is a good start. So we have a lot of forest preserves throughout Illinois. I mean, the weather is more impactful than anything, especially with the cold. So just dress appropriately, have the right equipment, and then join us. I'll have my usual hikers that are preparing for a summer excursion. Destination to be announced during the meeting has it was originally for Mount Rainier, but it's just a logistical nightmare to try to get lottery tickets for Mount Rainier. So I'll be probably choosing Colorado, but we'll see, depending on the talent that wants to go this summer for the Dr. Rick hiking excursion. So get your boots on, get your equipment ready, get ready to actually exercise for spring, and come out to the event. I'll put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, because I do videos that include nature therapy and a whole bunch of other things to maintain health on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.